Today I want to show you this parcel from AliExpress. Let's open it. So there's a simple box. Apparently this is made of bamboo. And what is this? This is the sound amplifier. And supposedly I put the my mobile phone here, and the sound will go through this hole and come out from here, and it should be louder, more concentrated. Let's try it. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and it's quite long, so there's a risk that it can slip out and fall. But the balance is not too bad. So yeah, so you can, just in case you hit on it still standing. Okay, let's test it. I'm going to let you listen to the music with the box and without the box. I think you can hear it's obviously louder, but somehow it's missing the bass. I don't think it's a good idea to use it to listen to the music, but for watching a video, maybe that's not too bad. So let me give you a closer look. I already cut 2 small pieces of duct tape and stick it here, and now it doesn't slip easily. So you can see it's quite stable. I can push it, it falls down, but it doesn't slip out. How does this work? The speaker has to face to this hole, and the sound will come out from here. It's concentrated. I'm lucky that my Galaxy Z Flip phone has a speaker here, and it's facing exactly to the hole. And I can put it this way. When I try my old Sony phone, the speaker is here, it's basically useless. The sound will come out from here. So if you buy it, you have to make sure your speaker is on this side. I quite like it. It's a lightweight speaker. I normally use a Bluetooth speaker to perform magic with music. As you know, Bluetooth, you'd always have to pay it, and there's also a need of charge the speaker. But for small audience, I think this one is quite nice, especially if someone want to borrow this here and just put his phone on top of it, and it will work. No pairing required. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.